It's Vlogmas Day 6. I know that this isn't a great mirror setup, but I'm going to show you my outfit. This sweatshirt is from my school, actually. It says "Be kind to your mind," and it's a crew neck that's gray. I'm wearing these dark wash skinny jeans from Kohl's. These riding boots, I think they're from Shoe Carnival. I got them a couple years ago. My hair is just brushed. I went to bed with it wet last night. I was gonna braid it and forgot, so it's a little bit crazy. Not doing my makeup again. So there's the outfit. It's actually chilly outside today with a high of only 42. It's 31 right now, so perfect time to wear this. I just made it to my internship. I do 3 8-hour shifts a week, if you guys haven't already heard that. And Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays is when I go, and I do 10 to 6. So I am here. I am at the County Community Mental Health Center, and I specifically work in the adult detox and the crisis recovery. Piano in the
Jingle bell,
Hey guys, so it looks like it's way later than it is. It is 6:15 and I'm just now leaving my practicum, but it gets dark so early, so that's unfortunate, but it's cold. I am heading to Aldi to get my grocery pickup. I work so much and everything closes so early and I'm never home and I don't have time, so I just do order pickup because it saves me about an hour or two just going in the store and shopping. So I'm going to Aldi, and then whatever I couldn't get at Aldi, I had to get the rest, a couple things at Target. So I'm going to do that, head to my mom's, put it all away.
Alright, all good.
Okay, you too, thank you.
Thank you. Also, you're cute. Your car's really cute.
Thank you. Tonight's dinner is some teriyaki stir fry, and I'm making it with some ground turkey. So, still cooking it. I'm about to season it a ton, like crazy, and then I'm going to cook the meat and then combine them. I just did a taste test and it's so good, you guys. These are the seasonings I put on it. My mom is obsessed with this stuff. It's a Hispanic lime seasoning. I put some seasoning salt, a little tiny bit of cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning, some garlic salt, and then regular salt and pepper as well. So that is it for today's vlog. I had my internship this morning, so today I just followed up on some phone calls with some clients and honestly just did a bunch of homework, and I had some online trainings to do, so didn't do much, and then had some dinner, and now I'm going to go start editing this video. I have my practicum again tomorrow at the same time, but hopefully I'm doing something a little bit different. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.